Alright guys, here we are back on USD and this is 4 hour time frame. So I'll give you a recap of what happened in last two videos. I had suggested that the market will come back to the upper border of this channel, at least up to upper border of this channel, or it can come down and start trading inside the channel, and the market did the same. But some traders took positions, had to exit positions in the lows because if you watch the when I will upload this will become the last video, so I'll talk about the second last and third last video. So if you'll go back and watch the third last video, I suggested people to enter short positions, and if they are planning for multi positions or any kind of position, they were supposed to exit the position if market closes a candle above this high. So yes, some people who entered back then had to take the losses and exit, but but this is what their loss was. This was the length of their loss. Even if there's did multi-positioning, and even if they took sell position until here, so this can be the length of their loss. But what happened next? Bias was not cancelled because fundamentals were supporting bearish idea, and this technical picture was supported by movement. So many factors which were already discussed, so I'm not going to repeat them. Bearish bias was intact even if market actually went above this, but I couldn't come and give you the update. The next thing was 1.1 was psychological level, and market was supposed to return from here. So market did that thing. It went 1.1, returned back, and then there was a significant candle pattern, which is a evening star pattern on this 4 hour time frame, where traders were supposed to take the positions. So people who took the position here made a profit of this line, this much, even if exited at the border here. So this was their profit. So they recovered their losses, and also they kept some extra profit because this length is slightly bigger than the length of the stop loss. For the people who watched the second last video, this is the last, previous one is the second last. So there I suggest that there should be the enough magnitude to the downside to enter the position. So this magnitude was not enough for the entry. So the people who followed the second last video didn't get a chance to enter the position, because that was about the safest traders who want to see the magnitude, confirm the momentum, and then enter the trade. So that's all. But what about our traders? Our traders did not close any positions. They were into multi-position, but they used multi-position trading formula, because if you go to our website, then we have disclosed a formula. So go to our website. Here I'll make it easy for you. I'm opening the site. 25 noobsters. All right, so I keep repeating this and I'm doing the same thing again. It's taking time to open the website. I don't know why it shouldn't take time like this. Anyway, I just skip this part, come back here. So basically what you can do, you can go to the website, go to the site menu, and go to education in the site menu, and then go to strategy details. All right, there you'll find decoding formula in case of multi-position of similar lot size. So they used this formula, and they were aware of 1.1, and they were also aware that the bearish bias was intact, and they planned already for a range. So even if market went a little above 1.1, they would have held the positions until 1.1050 before deciding to take the losses. So that was their plan. But my point is, do not try to match my trading ideas spoken here on social media channels or social media channels, or on our website, with the trading going on in account management or copy trading, because it's not feasible for me to coordinate with the traders or trading department, come back every next minute here and give you the idea of what's going on there. So I'm giving you a disclaimer that the trades going on in the accounts of people who are taking copy trading services or account management services may be up to 99% different from the trading ideas which I give you here, because they can change their plan every next minute, every next hour, and it's not possible for me to come every next minute or next hour and give you an update about the trading idea. So this is just for the learning purposes. But however, if you are learning properly, you'll be able to make profits just by using this idea. So this is for learning purposes, and this is for the free audience who are using our websites and social media channels for trading. So that's all. Market came back. Now we are making a plan for the next week. So if you look at all these data, PMI is released on 24th. Because of revision, it was negative. So what I'm discussing now, I'm discussing some fundamental data released in last 2 weeks to make a plan for tomorrow. Tomorrow, non-farm payroll is being released from the US. So let's look at the last 2 weeks data. Because of the revision, overall result of PMI, flash PMI released from the US on 24th November, negative. CB consumer confidence, because of revision, overall picture was negative. Prelim GDP significantly positive. Pending home sales, which is medium impact news, not high impact news, slightly positive. 30th November unemployment claims slightly negative. JOLTS jobs opening, significant data, very significant data, and significantly negative. ISM services PMI slightly positive. ADP and FP significantly negative. All these data are high impact news besides this pending home sales, which is medium impact news. So 5 negative, 3 positive. So do you think that we should say that the US economy is in decline mode and dollar should go down just because 5 are negative and 3 are positive? No, we should simply connect the relevant data. The different pundits and erudite have different way of trading and analyzing the market, but I don't want to argue on what their idea is. My idea is to connect the relevant data with each other. So even if we simply connect 3 important data with each other, one is ADP and FP, another one is JOLTS jobs opening, and tomorrow we are getting NFP, we'll understand what's going on in the labor market. So if less jobs were open, there are high chances that the same trend will be followed in related other industry. So you can get less number of jobs. For example, ADP was negative, and there is high chances that tomorrow NFP will also be negative. When I say high chances, there is no guaranteed. I always talk about the chances. Analysis is not a guarantee. However, I have seen that these kind of analysis work more than 70-80% of cases, and this is exactly what analysis can do. They cannot come true 100% of the times, and they are really fine even if they are coming 70%. They are coming true 70% of the times. So are we going to make a decision just based on our analysis and we are going to sell US dollar now? Of course not. We are going to wait tomorrow to see what data is being released. We'll compare the revision, we'll compare the actual, and we'll compare free data. One is NFP number, another one is hourly earning release, and the third one is unemployment rate. And if overall picture will be slightly negative or neutral, we will sell US dollar. So what we are going to buy against US dollar? We are going to buy EUR USD. Why? There is supportive a supportive data. Supportive technical picture. So we have room to the upside. So if we buy, we can go to the upside and close our position here. We can take the TP here. Look at the right side. I'm talking about this move to the upside till here. So, all right. So this was 4-hour time frame, and what else is supporting here? I'm not just going to talk about histogram here. If we compare the histogram length, this was also a smaller histogram compared to the previous one. This was also slightly smaller, which also suggests slightly bullish momentum, but this was not good enough for the bullish momentum. So if you simply draw a line making a border of the histogram, you will see that this will be the border of the histogram, and then this will be and this is the signal line. You see, this is the signal line, and this is the crossover, which is a bullish crossover, so which is supporting our bullish idea now. Besides what we see now on 4-hour time frame, we have room, we have MACD bullish crossover, go down, going down. All right, we have a significant support made on daily time frame. Previous resistance has turned now support, and you already see a bullish reaction today. So these are the data supporting our bullish bias. So if we get neutral or negative overall data tomorrow at a release of NFP, we will buy EUR USD, and we will target this border of the channel. Even if we follow the plan and still market goes down after a few hours of release rather than going to the upside, yes, sometimes forex market can totally surprise you, and no matter how you analyze, it can go totally against you. So stay ready for the daily closing. There is no stop loss which I'm suggesting here. Rather, I'm suggesting we'll wait for the closing of the day, and if it closes as a bearish candle, irrespective, I'm not talking about this lower border. We have nothing to do with lower border. We're not trading this channel. There is no classic approach of channel trading here. If it will close the entire day as bearish candle, we'll exit this position, and then we will replan, reposition, re-enter. Whatever we lose here, we will profit. So that's all. Thank you for watching. And do not match this with, I repeat, do not match with this idea with the trades of account management and copy trading. This is different. This is for learning purposes. Thank you for watching.